Choosing the right action camera used to be simple: go with GoPro. That's still good advice, in that the GoPro ranks high on our list and is our top pick for most adventure-seeking photographers, but we finally found a few worthy competitors. So in this video, we have compiled a list and reviewed the top 5 best action cameras you can buy in 2024. For more information on the products, we have included links in the description box below. Let's get started. Number 5, Insta360 Go 3. The Insta360 Go 3 is an innovative hybrid camera that can be used as both a traditional action camera and a portable wearable. This compact camera offers new shooting possibilities with its small size and unique magnet mounting system. It captures stabilized 2.7K video quality and comes with the Action Pod attachment, which features a flip-forward touchscreen for monitoring shots and 2 microphones for improved sound. The redesigned charging case called the Action Pod transforms the pendant-like Go 3 into a GoPro-like form factor, adding versatility and extending the camera's battery life. The Go 3 is slightly bulkier than its predecessor, but it offers added features and accessories that enhance its overall functionality. The magnetic attachment to the Action Pod is robust and provides a secure connection even during bumpy rides. The 2.2-inch touchscreen on the Action Pod is a notable improvement, offering a user-friendly interface for framing shots. New shooting modes like stills and time-lapse, along with higher resolution video up to 2.7K at 30 frames per second, showcase the Go 3's versatility. It also addresses previous issues such as no limits on clip length, improved battery life, and resolved overheating issues, making it a reliable choice for extended shoots. However, the Go 3 does have some drawbacks, including no micro SD card slot, a non-removable battery, and the Action Pod not being waterproof. While its image quality is good, it may not match up to the GoPro Hero 11. In conclusion, the Insta360 Go 3 is a capable and innovative camera that offers unique advantages with its small size and magnetic mounting system. It provides a different shooting experience compared to larger competitors, making it a worthwhile investment for those seeking creative flexibility in a portable action camera. Number 4, Insta360 Ace Pro. The Ace Pro has made a significant impact in the wide-angle action camera market with its impressive features and performance. It boasts 8K video resolution, a substantial 2.4-inch flip screen, and exceptional video quality, positioning itself as a formidable competitor. One of its standout features is its partnership with Leica, evident in the 1/1.3-inch sensor and AI-boosted chip, which deliver outstanding video and photo quality even in challenging lighting conditions. The camera supports up to 8K video and 48-megapixel stills, setting a new standard in resolution within the industry. The magnetic mounting system and variety of mounts add versatility, catering to different action sports like cycling, diving, and surfing. The inclusion of a multi-mount enhances its adaptability, allowing users to mount the camera on a tripod or use it as a selfie stick. The design of the Ace Pro features a well-engineered 2.4-inch flip screen that provides a superior viewing experience. While slightly heavier than some competitors, the added weight contributes to better heat dissipation, addressing a common challenge in action camera design. Despite its remarkable features, the Ace Pro comes with a relatively higher price tag compared to alternatives, and its weight might be a consideration for those seeking the lightest action camera. In terms of image and video quality, the Ace Pro excels in low-light performance with minimal noise. The HDR technology in video mode and a dedicated HDR photo mode handle highlights well, although there's room for improvement, especially in video mode. In conclusion, the Insta360 Ace Pro is a powerhouse in the action camera market, offering cutting-edge features and exceptional performance with its 8K capabilities, innovative design, and robust build. It poses a serious challenge to contenders like GoPro and DJI. Number 3, DJI Osmo Action 4. The Action 4 is an outstanding performer catering to both professional and enthusiast FPV drone videography. It boasts user-friendly features, exceptional image quality, and impressive image stabilization, making it stand out in the market. The minimalist design includes only 2 physical buttons, a power button on the side and a record/shoot button on the top. The absence of onboard storage is a drawback, but this can be mitigated by the affordability of high-speed professional micro SD cards. It is waterproof up to 18 meters and operational in temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius, making it built to withstand challenging conditions. Key specifications include a 1/2.3-inch sensor, f/2.8 aperture, and a 155 degrees field of view catering to larger FPV drones. Video capabilities are impressive, supporting resolutions up to 4K at 60 FPS, with slow motion options including 120 FPS at 4K and up to 240 FPS at 1080p. The camera offers normal and flat log-M color profiles, providing flexibility for different shooting scenarios. The image stabilization options, namely Rock Steady Plus, and horizon balancing, perform exceptionally well, ensuring smooth footage even in challenging conditions. The Osmo Action 4's versatility extends beyond FPV drones, excelling in various shooting modes including photo, video, slow motion, and time-lapse. Its performance is enhanced by the DJI Mimo app, allowing for remote control, live view, and video editing features. The camera provides up to 2.5 hours of recording time and supports fast charging. It also features DJI's magnetic mount system and incorporates wind reduction technology with 3 microphones, making it appealing to streamers. In conclusion, the DJI Osmo Action 4 stands out as a top-tier action camera, excelling in image quality, video performance, and user-friendly features. Number 2. GoPro Hero 12 Black. The Hero 12 Black is an impressive action camera suitable for both beginners and experienced editors. It offers a variety of features that enhance its versatility. While there are minimal hardware updates, the inclusion of pro features makes it a powerful tool for content creators. In terms of design, the Hero 12 Black looks similar to its predecessor, the Hero 11 Black, with a few cosmetic tweaks, such as a speckled blue-on-black finish and a new 1/4-inch 20 tripod thread. The addition of the tripod thread is a welcome feature for those who use accessories like Gorilla Pods, adding to its adaptability. One of its standout features is the video modes. The introduction of HDR video, a new GoPro log capture mode, and easier access to vertical and 8:7 aspect ratio video make it versatile for different shooting conditions. The HDR video capability reaching up to 5.3K resolution provides enhanced dynamic range, making it ideal for various shooting conditions. The GP log mode allows for more versatile video editing, though low-light recording remains a challenge. GoPro's hyper-smooth video stabilization, known for its smooth footage, has evolved over the years. The latest version, HyperSmooth 6.0, is smoother than the previous Hero 11's 5.0 and includes features like horizon leveling and 360 horizon lock. Additional features like Bluetooth upgrades, time code sync for multi-camera edits, and improved battery performance contribute to the camera's overall appeal. The removal of the GPS feature is justified by GoPro's focus on maximizing battery run times. Overall, the Hero 12 Black impresses with its powerful features, including fantastic stabilization, HDR video capabilities, and Bluetooth mic support. The camera maintains the sleek design of its predecessor while incorporating significant upgrades, positioning it as a top choice for both action enthusiasts and video editors. Number 1. Insta360X3. The Insta360X3 is a significant upgrade from its predecessor, the 1x2, and offers a versatile and user-friendly experience for action camera enthusiasts. Released in September 2022, this 360 degrees camera stands out with its handheld usability, allowing for comfortable shooting without the need for additional mounts. The standout feature is its significantly upgraded 2.29-inch touchscreen, a major improvement over previous models, providing a more enjoyable and intuitive interface. The camera boasts dual 48-megapixel half-an-inch sensors, delivering impressive 5.7K 360 degrees videos and 4K footage at up to 30 frames per second. The addition of active HDR mode sets the X3 apart, effectively preserving highlight details in various lighting conditions. While single-lens 4K videos may appear slightly soft, the camera outperforms competitors like the GoPro Max in terms of clarity. Design-wise, the stick-like form factor of the X3 feels comfortable to hand, with 10mm water resistance adding durability. The large touchscreen simplifies navigation and enhances the overall user experience. The camera's 1800 mAh battery offers 81 minutes of 5.7K recording, and its stabilization features, including flow state stabilization and direction lock, contribute to smooth and professional-looking footage. Editing footage with the Insta360X3 is a breeze, thanks to the powerful and user-friendly editing tools. The camera supports various shooting modes like time-lapse, time shift, and bullet time, catering to different creative preferences. The unique EM mode leverages lens overlap to create compelling shots with an invisible selfie stick. While the X3 isn't without minor drawbacks, such as a brief startup time and occasional bugs, its overall performance and feature set make it a top choice for those seeking an all-in-one action camera. Whether mounted on a bike or used handheld, the Insta360X3 shines as a versatile and capable device for capturing immersive 360 degrees content. Here are the best action cameras. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button. If you have any questions or ideas for our next review, or just want to chat, feel free to drop a comment below. We value your insights and are always eager to engage in conversation. If you decide to subscribe, welcome to the Tech Tribe. We have some epic content coming your way, so buckle up. Until next time, keep rocking, stay safe, and we'll catch you on the flip side. Peace out.